A clever rabbit. In this chapter, you will read how a rabbit makes the 3 donkeys fool and gets the carrot. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a small village. He had 2 oxen, 2 cows, and 3 donkeys. Their names were Doky, Boky and Toky. The farmer's oxen did all his work, so he didn't have much use for his donkeys. The donkeys remained idle all the time. Very often they quarrelled with one another. One day, Doky was standing alone at the back of his master's farm. He saw a large carrot lying in a ditch. It was a nice, juicy carrot. Doky was so full of joy that he started braying, "Ee-yaw, ee-yaw, ee-yaw." The other 2 donkeys heard Doky braying. They came running to see what the matter was. They saw the nice juicy carrot lying in the ditch. They also wanted to eat it. But Doky put his body in the way and said, "This is my carrot. You can't eat it." Boky tried to reach the carrot with his hoof. "Get away, Doky," he said. "How can you say that this carrot is yours?"
"Shut up, both of you," said Toky. "I'm feeling hungry and I'll eat this carrot." And he tried to push his way to the carrot. Doky saw that Boky and Toky won't let him eat the carrot, so he said, "Let's not quarrel. We should decide the matter in peace. I think we should have a little competition. He who brays loudest shall have the carrot." The other 2 donkeys agreed at once. Thus the competition began. Doky brayed first of all. "Ee-yaw, ee-yaw, ee-yaw." A little rabbit was passing by the ditch. He heard the loud noise of Doky's braying. He stopped to see what the matter was. Now it was Boky's turn to bray. His voice was so loud that the little rabbit had to shut his ears with his paws. Then Toky brayed as loud as he could. "Ee-yaw, ee-yaw, ee-yaw." "How loud and ugly voices these donkeys have got," said the rabbit to himself. "They will make me deaf. I should go away and find some food for myself." Just then he saw the large carrot lying in the ditch. His mouth watered seeing the juicy carrot. He wanted to eat the carrot and came close to the ditch. The 3 donkeys saw him. "Look, here we have a rabbit," cried Toky. "He will tell which of us brayed the loudest." So they made the rabbit their judge, but the rabbit was very clever. He didn't want any of the donkeys to have the carrot. He wanted to eat it himself. So he said very cleverly, "There was not much to choose among your braying." "The scattle business, Toky. Why don't you run a race? Then we can know which of you is the winner." "That's a good idea," said the 3 donkeys. "Good friend, tell us, where shall we race to?" "Go all round the field and then back to the starting point," said the rabbit. "Now, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start!" The 3 donkeys went away at top speed. They ran as fast as they could. Each tried to win the race. They reached the starting point almost at the same time. Each thought himself to be the winner. "I have won," said Doky. "No, I came first," brayed Boky. "Let us ask the rabbit," said Toky. "We'll accept his decision." So they called the rabbit, but there was no answer. Then they looked for the nice juicy carrot. It was gone. Doky said in a sad voice, "We should always settle the matter in peace." They returned to their home with sad heart. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Comment if you want more videos like this.